Kani kedai kedudarshan Meghalaya, bat ngi pedang sobhaya pi baro sya katup kubor mata ke janmit. Syaban paj ki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pechuai ki mat pakongsan. Ya shat ke jing kap vote na ka benta ke kela ka baar jong ka election Lok Sabha haki prapu pratili constituency hapadeng ka jing pahara ka bakilking. Kalong ka jing ka bakraw shibun ban pinkin dia ya ka yode masih haberni hat bat hakana para ong Ministry Katumat Animal Husbandry bat veterinary uba AL-hek. Bethat jubor urudra rabha yala ka jong ka jing im hapo ka along ki pulit. Anya kren uba AL-hek ya ka jinglong jingman ka sut ka san ha ka jinyalang jong ka sinrop MDA. But ya kendo ke HYC ya CEO ka Shillong Cantonment Board mandawa badai banweng no mardo ya kinong buhay snong bian. Ki khubor ki babnya layo jingtip ba ka jingtap vote na ka benta ka kela ka baar jong ka election Lok Sabha kala ya chat minta ka sngi. Prapu pratali ki constituency ki badon haki khat artadi ki jilla bat ka union territory jong ka Jammu bat Kashmir kila sedang ya ka jingtap vote jong ki. Ka jingtap vote kala sedang habun teli ki constituency hakapor hinyo biji minstep bat kala kutno apat hakapor hinriu biji minta ka janmit. Lajar kata ru kapor long election kaya per ha kathan chatai lami ngi kari India bat ha ki jaka baklan ki leno la sakhi ru ya bon ba ki briu ki bala yang lan ha ki jaka tap vote baper la ru banyo I ya ka jingshong shit ka ba compare hapdeng ki samla samhoi bat ki kenthai ka jingwan poi ki nong tap vote tat hadu kapor lai baje janmet ka long sanpo pon arsan nakashispa. Menteri Katumat Animal Husbandry but veterinary uba AL-hek ula ong bakan salong ka jing ka bakraw bha na ka benta ka sarkar jela ban pinkin ria ya ka yode masih haberni hat bat hakana para kayeng bishar jong ka jela Meghalaya kham hashwa kala betha ya ka sarkar jela bakan bishar bha ha ka bayadei bat ka jing pinkin ria ya ka yode masih na ki khaput jong ka jela. Hadin bakal adep ban bishar ya ka jing kerpat ha ka bayadei bat ka jing bambut ya ka kendon ka bapra jong ka an prevention of cruelty to animals regulation of livestock markets rules 2017 ha ka jupat kapor uba hek ula ongru ba ka dei ka jing yatrekam jong ka tanat custom ki pulit bat ka tanat pulit BSF ban pintikna ba kamdon kanu ka jing khaitu ya ki masih ha ki khaput jong ka jela Meghalaya bat Bangladesh.
Of the international border, 25 kilometers from the inter-state borders. So that is, because it's a small state, if you talk about 50 kilometers, it become half of the state. You have to see also the viability of the market also, no? Dealing of the cattle outside the country. It is the custom is there in duty, the police is there in the duty, even the border security force also there in the duty. This is a job, collective job of all concerned to ensure that there should not be illegal smuggling outside the country.
Uwe ureu runar ubala syakem urudra rabha ula penyap no yala di minemen step hapo along jongki pulit ka khana para police station dakabas din pasi yala di dakajan siang tia. Urudra rabha ubadei ru unong yalam jong ka kenhun ki reu runar ula syakem haka arpusau terik uyayong bat la yalam ru ya u syakayeng bishar haka arpusan terik bat la hukum ban set along yu na ka benta sansngi lenter haka por jingto kit urabha ula kubur ba ula buri ya kawe ka suloi shnahi haka we ka klau bat ula penpau ru ba ukloi ban yalam ya ka kenhun pulit syaklau ban netchim ya ka ni ka suloi kumtahi hapo ka jingalam jong une ureu runar lalap ya ka ni ka tiar siat bala buri ka badon haka we ka klau harani bari Ujakpal Singh Dhanau, ubadai Superintendent Jongki Pulit Karib Hoi District Ula Pentip, Baladep ban ujor mukaddama, ya kani ka jingja, bat ka jing tokit ru kalaya chakaman. Udukot ka kenhon menteri ubadai ru uhe nong yalam jong kaseng BJP uba AL hek hinin kasngi ulaong ba un sayakren syapang ka jinglong jingman kasuk kasany ha kani ka jela minta ha ka jingyalang jong kasinrop MDA ka jingkali kalami halor kasuk kasany kamtam ha ka bayadai bat ki kambaman persya ya ki kentai bat ki kelung ki kena hapo kani ka jela. Dakapa penpau ya ka jingso kuslai jingmut jong hadin balaja artali ki jingja le be ijot ha Southwest Garo Hills District but East Khasi Hills District ula ong kanu ka sarkar ha kanu ka rukam ru kadai banle kat kum ka an ula ong ru ba man la unong song snong kia ringkat kerdan hakmat ka sarkar bat ba omdei ban aili satya yano bat lada Kidon kti hakikam penkanyaan menteri ula penpau ya kajing sokia mensim jong hakabaya day bat kajing ja syabat bor badang syan jong laingot ki kentai kentup ru ya kawai ka badang rita haka kanriu tarik uyayong haka snong chenga benga ha Southwest Garo Hills District bat kajing syabat bor ka samla kabala apun riu senam kerta hanong ba shillong.
They have to uphold the law. The law means the justice to every citizen who are the residents of the state of Meghalaya. This one I told them beginning also. We have to uphold the law. At any cost we have to uphold the law. Every citizens are equal to the government.
Kahnyo Trap Youth Council minta kasni kala dawa bakadei ban wengno mardor ya kibriu ki basyong basa bean ha ka jaka ka badon hajan kabara bazar fire and emergency service station halum survey ka bahap hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka shillong kanton menbot habakren shakinong pathai khubor u president ka HYC uba roy kupar syndrome ula pentip bakila dep ban IT ya ka dorkas ha ka bayadei bat kane kapang ka kenhun nong mikmat ka HYC sya Chief Executive Officer jong ka Shillong Kanton menbot u Ayush Maurya ha ka jingelang ka balalong minta kasngi uba syndrome ulaong bakila ya kendo ya CEO da ka badawa badai banle AA no mardor persya ya kinong chong snong bian bat ban penpra no ru ya kiyeng kisambaro u president ke HYC ulaong ru bakilayo jingtip na u CEO bakadon ka jingyale mukaddama hadu menta ha ka bayadai bat kane ka jaka Henry umtip pura pat ha ka bayadai bat kane ka mukaddama
the plot of land though it falls under Shillong Cantonment Board but the authority which look after this plot of land is the Defence Estate Officer whose main office is in Guwahati. And the CEO has also informed us that there is a litigation going on regarding to this particular plot of land. But then he doesn't know the exact status of the case.
Kaseng VPP kalabanjur ba kajingjob jongka na kasyuki Shillong Lok Sabha kan sabha ya ka khubor ka baklan syaka sarkar MDA hapo kajingalam kaseng NPP bakamdei ban khen kamkai ya ki padba dakabaong baki briu jong ka jela ki dei ki balayo jingtip ha unong aiktien kaseng VPP uba bat scam merbo ulaong ba ka sarkar MDA kadon satang hapo sausnem ban yo biang ya ka jingshanya na upadba Katkum ka jingya thu jong ka sang VPP kan salong ka jingma ka bakraw tam ha ka san hima sima la da kimla ban pinbiang katkum ka jingkmi lenti jong ki padba uba merbo ulaong ba ka jing penle jingmut ka bakong san jong ka sang ka dei ha ka result ban pinbana ha ka sauterik ubnai jiliu ulaong ba ka sang VPP kan sa pendap hok ya laki kamram ban ai jing kershan ya kalyang persya ka baklan bor hanong ba Delhi lada ja ba ka sinrop NDA hapo ka jingalam ka sang BJP kan wan pai biang syakabor sinshar
trong cả khối sự vượt party orang ban telah dikatakan nimla banyak yang sepet kiyo show ya si yewi ka bo yang BPP orang ba kim ken bagi pai ba idan ka bo situ ba idan kata ka ejulong ka ha hi pai ba Kina ba kini pai ba ila ban suyalam bakla ada masuk. Nagayan sa Pilipino ba yung job ng election away ng hangte hadali tada wan sarkar ng BJP sudo na kawan in ay strong position mo.
Unong bishar bala syong thai UBP katake uba kli ya ka committee bala thau da ka yeng bishar ka jila Meghalaya menta ka sngi ula pentip bala dep ban khan biang kumba nyo pusan hajar ton udo yong bat ya uba dei ban shalan no shaki jaka ba pher bat la ai por ru khat san sngi ya ki bor district ban pendep ya kane da ka ba pentip ba ka jingket ya udo yong bala dep shim jingkhan la jan dep artat hakilai tali ki district kum ha southwest Khasi Hills west Khasi Hills bat south Garo Hills ula pentip pat baha ka ha East Giant Hills naka iway point lai lak ton udoyong la dep ban kit hendrupo hajar ton bat ubadang sa ulong hinyopo hajar ton ula pha ru ya u deputy commissioner jong ka East Giant Hills ban pinchisha ya ka jingdon jong hinyopo hajar ton udoyong ya ubadei ban kit shakijaka penhab doyong.
Depot or to a temporary depot to be identified by the government. And it appears that out of 4 districts, except in East Joint Hills district, other districts almost completed the transportation of inventory, reassessed, re-verified inventory coal. In East Joint Hills district, earlier it was around 1.3 lakh metric ton of coal which was to be left to be transported. Now, in the meantime, they have transported almost little over 60,000 metric ton, and now little over 70,000 metric ton is such coal is yet to be transported from Pithet to the designated depot.
Habakran Chapang ka election Lok Sabha badang syudap syan ha kani ka jila UMLA ka sang UDP na nongpo uba Meral Bon Sim ulaong ba kajingmi kalong kabamla ban batay lupa bat kabadon ya kajubab kaba ya kle lang nakipat ba ula penpau ru ba ula ban yoi baki briu jong kashuki Shillong parliamentary baki long ki bastad banjit ikinong mi khmat jongki ha kane ka kenti ki pat ba ki la lej ban thep ya ki vote jongki amnamar baki don ka jingya dei jongki bat ki kertong lani nakadaw jongki seng
cerik ke jong no benai April masem aja pusau ka jingni I jonga mata ka snem ka outcome dan ka result ka long unpredictable ka bangin galak ban yo jing ken ma ka ta kom even though kat kom jing sutu wajanga ki pai ba ki ba judon ha ki traditional party ke bagi judon genre ka jing mi jo ka party ke batumai ka VPP ki dan hi ki ba elect second party ke batumai kidan kinong song ke rupai ba juni kidan ga hok kiba kwai ke jingkala
ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association minta kasni kala penlong ya ka biennial general conference balai pusan ha conference hall jong ka Shillong College haba ai jingkrans dang I vice chancellor jong ka ICFI University Meghalaya I professor Alicia Gatpo ila kentu ya kinong hikai college bakin yeng bantei khnang banla ban pendep ya ki jingdawa jong ka emlang salang ka bayade bat ka puli puthi ka bakham shalor haba kran shapang ka pentrekam ya kamat trekam National Education Policy 2020 I Professor Gatpo ila ong baka NEP katmu ban ay ya kapuli puthi habaro kiliang na kabenta baro ila banjir ru ba don kam ban kring lang ya baro khnang bakani kamat trekam kanlong kabajob ki principal jong bon tali ki college deficit but ad hoc jong ka jilla ki president barim but ki general secretary barim jong ka MCTA ki nong hikai bala shong thai but ki dekot jong ka MCTA na ki snat trekam baper ki laya don bentalang
each other and let's be the light for one another because the NEP 2020 which is actually the talks among the academicians wherever we go It's always in quotes, I can say, NEP. I'm telling you, whether we go for the conferences of teachers or whether conferences of vice chancellors, the core topic is NEP.
Ka Don Bosco College Tura bat ka school ba Martin Luther Christian University Shillong kila penlong ya ka jingyalang thirsani lani ka symposium bala ai kerteng needs and opportunities in education in Garo Hills lani ki jingdon kam bat ki lat ki kabu ha ka pule puthi harilom Garo ha conference hall jong ka Don Bosco College Tura u Deputy Commissioner Jonka West Garo Hills u Jagdish Chelani ula play perda ya kanik symposium kinong kren ki bakham kongsan ki la pinsha ya ki lat ki lenti paper Jonka puli puthi ha kanik athan ka Jamina Marak ka badai ka director Jonka social outreach ha MLCU kalapen pau ya ke jingdan kam jong ki rukam puli ki bakham per kham tam ki bakham penle jingmut halor ki kam yathu khana ha ki jaka nong kendong kani ka symposium kalong kum karinsan na ka benta ki breu ki ba ya don kti lang ban kren halor ki mat ki ba kongsan bat man wat ru ya ki lat ki lenti ban kham pen bha ne pen ki shu ya ka pule puthi hari lom Garo menta ngin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba Shillong ka jing shit kalong apupra pon iway degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong kan riu pon san degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw kalong san pulai na ka spa men step bat arpun riu na ka spa janmit kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamlu mala hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka Shwaban poi shaka bakut jong ka thup kubor ngin ya pe piang sa shisen yakimat bakong san ya chat ka jing tap vote na ka benta kala ka baar jong ka election Lok Sabha haki prapu pratali constituency hapdeng ka jing pahara ka papirking kalong ka jing ka ba kraw shibun pan penken ria ya ka yo masi haberni hat bat hakana para ong umentri katnat animal husbandry but veterinary uba ALH Bathat Jubor Urudra Rabha yala ka jong ka jingim hapo along kipulit. Anya kren uba ALH ya ka jinglong jingman ka sup kasan ha ka jingalang jong ka sinrop MDA. Bat ya kendo ka HYC ya CEO ka Shillong Cantonment Board bandawa badai banwengno magdor ya kinong buhay shnong bean. Te parlok katu ngila poi shaka bakut jong katup ko bar jingi menta ka janmit hadu bang dai syambyang bat pila syai kaski kublay pi baro
Permanent settlement in the state in January 2020, Bru refugees exercised their voting rights in the Lok Sabha elections today. Further, over 76% voter turnout was recorded till 5 p.m. in the state. Meanwhile, BSF Tripura conducted